Unit 1. Summer School. Listening 1. Read and listen.
International Summer School. Welcome to the International Summer School. There are children from all over the world here. They camp and cook outside. In the daytime, they do lots of activities. This is Luis. He's 9 years old. He's from Brazil. He likes kayaking and playing basketball. He doesn't like painting. He likes doing pottery. And this is Alice. She's 8 years old. She's from the USA. She likes doing gymnastics and trampolining. She doesn't like playing tennis, but she likes playing table tennis. Vadim and his sister Rada are at the summer camp. They are from Russia. This is a photo of them in their tent. Vadim is 10 years old. He likes camping with his sister and his friends. He doesn't like playing football. He likes kayaking and he likes cooking outside. Rada is 9 years old. She likes camping too. She also likes doing pottery and playing table tennis. She doesn't like cooking outside.